Very good afternoon, students. Am I audible? Am I audible, students? Am I audible? Respond. Hello? Someone say hello.
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Audible, huh?
Yes, sir.
Now someone say hello.
Hello, sir.
Okay, okay. Students, once again, very good afternoon. Here, some students posted some doubts. Vajika, yesterday, she posted one doubt. We'll see that doubt. No one is posting doubts also. Students, if you don't solve the problem also, no problem. But don't Google it. Okay? If you depend on Google, Sundaram Pichai and his employees they will be promoted, their wealth will be increased, your thinking power will decrease. Understood? Correct or not? You have most powerful Google software is your brain. Okay. So student, this is a Vajika doubt. So I explained her, but for everyone it is useful. So first we have to read and digest the situation. The displacement of the particle of mass, how much? 3 grams. Immediately what you have to do? You should convert into kilogram and executing simple harmonic motion. X equal to how much here? 3 into sine 0.2 into t. What is asking? Find kinetic energy of the particle at what time? When displacement equal to 1 by 3 times of the amplitude. Amplitude is how much, ma? 3 meters only, no? Very nicely mentioned SI unit. SI unit means 3 meters. No? So what a displacement is here? 1 meter. Okay. With your permission, shall I write x equal to 3 into sine 0.2 into t, shall I write? Understood? So sine 0.2 into t, how much? 1 by 3. Nothing is waste in the world. This equation also will help you to solve this problem. What do we require? Kinetic energy, half mv square. Mass value, how much? 3 into 10 power minus 3 kilogram. Velocity, I don't know. How will you find velocity? Velocity hint. Here it is given. Na? How will you find velocity equal to? Change in position by change in time. So d by dt of x value, how much? 3 into sine 0.2 into t. And what is differentiation of sine? Cosine 0.2 into t. If you differentiate this, 0.2 will come. So what is the velocity? 0.6 into cosine 0.2 into t. But I don't know cosine value. Where is the hint? Always just like a CID officer only, clues will be there in the question. You have to catch them. This clue is here only, na? Understood. What is the cosine and sine relation? 0.6 into under root of how much? 1 minus sine square 0.2 into t. Understood? So 0.6 into under root of 1 minus sine 0.2 into t, how much? 1 by 3 whole square, and v equal to 0.6 into under root of 9 minus 1. How much? V is equal to under root of 8 by 9. So v is equal to how much here? 0.6 into root 8 value, how much? 2 root 2 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 0.2, 0.4 into root 2 meters per second. Finally, we resolved the last clue. Substitute what the kinetic energy? Half into 3 into 10 power minus 3. Velocity value how much? 0.4 root 2 the whole square. So 3 by 2 into how much? 10 power minus 3. 0.4 whole square means what? 60 by 100. Root 2 whole square means what? 2. 2 nicely cancel. So 48 into 10 power minus 3 minus 2. So 48 into 10 power minus 5 joule is the answer. Understood? But options correct, Amma? I think definitely correct only. Simple problem. Then that only correct. Usually in question paper, final answer will be containing in the scientific notation. Scientific notation means only single digit should be there, like a 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second only they will keep. So 48 you have to remove. For that, what I have to do? 48 by 10, and I will multiply with what? 10. So 4.8 means what? 5 into 10 power minus 4 also perfect answer. The options are given. As per the option, you have to adjust. Okay? Is it clear? I think waves very less portion is there for Monday test. And one more thing, students. Monday, everyone should write offline test on. Monday onwards, fully offline. Online, you have to say bye-bye. Okay? If any medical emergency is there, if you are not feeling well, then only you have to inform priorly to me. Understood? Clear? Sir, I am not coming. This is the reason. Please, if you want to say excuse, you put, or else, sir, I am not coming. This is the reason. I will not excuse for going to marriage function, my brother's marriage, my sister's marriage. You have lot of life, students. Understood? So now we'll do to increase your score. I will do now simple harmonic motion problems. Clear? Huh? Student, here we have one problem. Here we have one situation. Two particles are executing simple harmonic motion in a straight line with the same amplitude capital A and time period capital T. At a time t equal to 0, one particle is at displacement is at x equal to plus a, and another one is at x2 equal to minus a by 2. And they are approaching towards each other. After what time they cross each other? Just I am giving 2 minutes time. Just tell some work to your brain and think. And someone tell me the clue. I want idea. I don't want answer. Any idea entered into your mind, please share. It is appreciated. Very good. Relative velocity, relative motion. Very interesting. Next. Correct only. Next. Do it. Do it. I want idea. I don't want answer. Idea can change your life. Because I will give the clue. I will assume both are oscillating in the x-axis. This is the origin. What, ma? Very good. Very good. Yeah, correct. X equal to plus A. Where is the first particle? Is it? First particle is here only, no? At right extreme position. And where is the second particle? Not, ma. Midpoint of the mean position and left extreme position. Correct? So here x1 equal to how much? Minus A by 2. And x2 equal to what, ma? Sorry, x1 equal to plus A. And x2 equal to how much? Minus A by 2. One important clue he left, they are approaching each other. Means second particle is coming like this, first particle is coming like this. This is a very huge hint, turning point of that problem. Immediately, can you do anything? You cannot do anything. You cannot do anything. But if you think you can do something, everyone can do something. If you don't know anything, you have to link with the unknown thing with simple thing. Correct or not? Then this complicated simple harmonic motion, it should link with what? Very good. Uniform circular motion. Are you understanding now? So, where is the corresponding first particle? Corresponding revolving particle is here only, no? This going left side means the corresponding revolving particle is going anti-clockwise or anti-clockwise only, no? All revolving particle, you have to assume anti-clockwise. What is the angular speed? Omega. Omega 1 equal to how much? Anti-clockwise means plus or minus? Plus omega. What about the second particle, revolving particle? Downside, upside. Corresponding revolving particle for second particle, downside, upside. Every revolving particle is in the anti-clockwise, no? Very good, downside. Say confidently, Bharde. You said your brain said something means before 2-3 days it heard something only, no? Then only it can answer. So say confidently. Okay. So it is anti-clockwise only, no? It is also having angular speed. What is angular speed? Omega 2 equal to how much here? Anti-clockwise means minus only, no? Sorry. Anti-clockwise means plus only, but both are having constant angular speed means they will never meet, no more. So compulsory have to keep minus omega. Relatively, they will definitely cross each other. For understanding? Clear? If you have doubt, it will come after some time here. It will come after some time here. Correct? At this moment, omega 1 will go like this, and this moment omega 1 will go right side, na? Opposite direction, no? Did you understand the logic why I have taken? Okay. Now tell me what is this angle? This angle I want. How much? I want angle between this phasor and this phasor. I should know this. How much I can write? Cosine theta equal to how much? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. So theta value how much? 60. 60. So then what is the angle between them? 180 minus 60 means 120 degree only, no? If your two particles are meeting means what is the angular displacement of the second revolving particle with respect to first revolving particle? 120 degrees only, no? Yes or no? If you are inside the first particle, you will tell second particle only came and meet. You're understanding now? Yes or no? Clear? Clear or not clear? Okay, so 120 degree. And what is time taken? Relative angular displacement by relative velocity only, no? What relative angular displacement? In radian, you have to convert. 120 into 1 degree equal to how much? Pi by 180, 0 cancels out. 2 6 are 2, 9s are, so 2 pi by 3. So what is relative angular displacement? 2 pi by 3 divided by what is relative angular velocity? 2 omega. Omega minus of minus omega, no? Are you understanding? So how much? 2 omega. And here 2 cancels out. So pi by 3 omega. Omega value how much? 2 pi by t only, no? Pi cancels out. So what is your answer? T by 6 is the answer. Everyone, Purindicha? Nalla. Good, huh? Most important problem, students. This is one pattern of question, students. See the potential energy of a particle oscillating on axis given as u is equal to how much? 20 plus x minus 2 whole square. The mean position at what distance? What is the meaning of mean position, students? At mean position, x equal to how much now? Minimum. We don't know, maybe 0 or something. You cannot say it is 0. Are you understanding? You cannot say it is 0. Understood? But at mean position, x is minimum means acceleration equal to how much? Formula? Minus omega square into x. If x is minimum means acceleration also minimum. The acceleration is minimum means force also minimum. Are you understanding me? So acceleration minimum means if x is 0, one more thing also there. Potential energy how much? Half k x square. X is minimum means potential energy also minimum. Means if you plot the graph between potential energy versus position, roughly I am drawing, it will be like this only, no? At this x value, potential energy is what? Minimum. Are you understanding my logic? Okay. There, slope how much it should be? Slope equal to how much? Dou u by dou x equal to how much? 0. Are you understanding, student? So if x is minimum, what is the condition? Du by dx compulsory it should be 0. So what is the u value? Respond, what is the u value? 20 plus x minus 2 whole square equal to how much? 0. And d by dx of 20 plus x minus 2 whole square means what? X square plus 4 minus 4 into x equal to how much? 0. What differentiation of 20? 0. What differentiation of x square? 2x 2 minus 1. What differentiation of 4?
0.
0 minus 4 equal to how much? 0. So 2x equal to how much? 4x equal to, understood? Most important strategical model. Understood? Okay. Write a important note. If x is minimum, slope of potential energy versus x graph should be 0 compulsory. I said now x need not to be 0. Mean position means there is no rule that mean position always should coincide with origin. Is there any such rule? So this is another question. Students, if you don't understand anything, I'm doing somewhat what you say, somewhat extreme twisted applications I'm showing. This much standard will not come in final NEET. Understood? If you saw something extreme, you feel remaining problems, you feel comfortable. You're understanding me? Okay? Your standard problems are level 1, level 2 only. Are you understanding? In your final NEET exam, out of 45 questions, just only 4 to 5 questions will come in this range. Remaining some 20 to 25 questions will come in the level 1 range. Remaining 15 to 20 questions from level 2 range. The paper setter has some ego. Ego means no one should get 180 by 180. You're understanding? That NTA board will appreciate him. Yes, you did a wonderful question paper. Are you understanding? If everyone got 180 by 180 means they will tell you made one nonsense question paper. Understood? Correct or not? 30% of the students got 180 by 180. Next year onward, you don't need to prepare. Understood? We will give to some other excellent faculty like that. I mean, you have to maintain some standardness. Understood? So now we'll see one question. What the mass is given? M equal to 4 gram, means 4 into 10 power minus 3 kg. What the gravitational potential is given? 800 into x square plus 150 erg per gram. But here, one thing I will do, you don't need to convert into kilogram, waste of time. Okay, so CJS only I will do the problem. I will avoid that big powers. Understood? Now tell me what is the frequency of the oscillation. Tell me, I want frequency of the oscillation means this kind of equation I want, no? Understood or not understood? Means force I want, no? I want omega square means at least I have to create this kind of equation, no? Understanding? Then I don't have, no? But the clue is here. Yes. Understood? So I want Force means what again? Gravitation field by mass. Understood? Sorry, wait a second. Gravitational mass into gravitation field minus omega square into m into x. To understand, mass cancels out. So I is equal to how much? Gravitation field equal to minus omega square into x. So immediately it should convert into gravitation field or gravitational potential energy. Is my point clear? Someone say the relation between gravitational potential and gravitational potential energy. I think everyone know this. Gravitation field equal to integration of everyone remembered electric field equal to minus change in potential by change in position. No. So gravitation potential equal to how much here? Integration of minus gravitation field into dx I can write, no? Say yes or no? Then if you differentiate on either sides, what you can write? Dou v by dou x equal to minus dou by dou x of integration of e into dx. Integration of dx and dou x cancels out. Differentiation also will be gone. So what is gravitation field equal to? Minus dou v by dou x. Is my point clear? So we already got gravitation field, no? Minus omega square into x is there, no? I will keep aside equation number 1. So if you put gravitational potential here, what you can find? Gravitation field you can find, no? Say sir, no, everyone. So 800 x square plus 150. 800 I will not touch. What differentiation of x square? 2x. What differentiation of 150? 0. So what a gravitation field equal to? Minus 1600 into x, no? Substitute here nicely. So what we can write? Sorry, 1600, no? So minus 1600 into x equal to minus omega square into x. Minus x cancels out. So what is angular frequency equal to? Under root of 1600 means 40. But we don't want angular frequency. We want frequency only. So 2 pi into f. 2 ones are 2 20s are. So what is frequency equal to? 20 by 5. What any check any mistake?
Gravitation potential energy formula is
Gravitation field equal to no m into I only. Mass into gravitation field. Just a moment. Any mistake is there? I will check. Here hint is there. That is my mistake or his mistake. I can understand. We did the same thing, no? Right side also multiplied. No, no. Ours answer only correct. This is not a great problem. 100% my answer only correct. His method, my method also same. Sometime printing mistake will happen. EDP operators are there, no? They will not correct it. Okay. So we'll try this problem. Question number 33. See, a particle of mass, how many kilograms? M kilogram is allowed to oscillate near the minimum of a vertical parabolic path having equation how much? X square equal to how much here? 4a into y. What is the angular frequency of the oscillation? Immediately, what we have to do it, my dear students? You have to deduce like this kind of equation, huh? Yes or no? So at any cost, I have to do like this along x-axis only. At any particular point P, it is a distance x meter and at a distance y meter. You people just draw any tangential line. Just obtaining some angle theta. So what is the slope of that straight line or tangential line at that point P? dy by dx equal to tan theta only, no? Then y value substitute here. So I can write d by dx of y value how much? X square by 4 into a equal to, as I told you, these oscillations are very small oscillations, no? Tan 0 can be written as 0, no? So theta I can write. 1 by 4a I can write outside. For differentiation of x square, 2x equal to theta. And 2 ones are 2 twos are, sorry. Be careful, this is not an acceleration, students. Constant. So theta equal to how much here? X by 2a. So theta equal to how much here? 1 by 2a into x only, no? But here x only it is there. But left side, what equation you have to write? Left side acceleration, no? Yes or no? We'll keep aside equation number 1. This is a tan theta equal to how much here? For example, x by 2a. So 2a I am sending this side. 2a into tan theta equal to x. This tan theta you have to remove. In the place, what you have to write? Acceleration only you have to write now. I'll keep aside equation number 2. Is my point clear? For finding tan theta, when it is going downside, this is a resultant velocity of v, no? It has how many components? Vx and Vy, no? This is theta only, no? This is V and this is Vy and Vx. So tan theta, what I can write? Vy into, Vy by Vx I can write. Understood? But Vy by Vx I can calculate, no? X square by 4ay. On either sides I will differentiate with respect to time. But differentiation of x square, 2x into dx by dt equal to 4a into dy by dt. 2 ones are 2, 2s are 6 into what is the dx by dt is nothing but Vx and into 2a equal to Vy. So Vy by Vx value we know, no? Yes. X by 2a only, no? Again we proved the same thing only. Then one thing I will do, I will squaring on, I will differentiate one time. Second time I will differentiate. But the product rule only, no? X into d by dt of Vx and plus Vx into how much? Dx by dt equal to 2a into differentiation of Vy, Ay, acceleration. So x into Ax plus Vx into Vx equal to 2a into Ay. So here x into Ax into, Ax plus Vx square equal to how much? 2a into Ay. So finally x into Ax plus Vx square equal to how much? 2a into Ay we found. Here the thing is only we are analyzing x components only, no? This Ay you have to eliminate. What is the tan theta equal to here, students? We want only along x-axis we are analyzing, no? How will you remove this Ay? X into Ax plus Vx square equal to 2a into what is the Ay can be written? If you see that particle, it will have totally how many accelerations? Mg and normal force. So totally how many accelerations it has? One is horizontal acceleration and other one is vertical acceleration. So this is tangential line. Theta means, of course, this is also theta and this is also theta, no? Yes or no? So this is Ax and this is Ay. But here tan theta equal to how much here? Ax by Ay. So Ay value what I can write here? Ax by tan theta I can write here. So Ax into, Ax by tan theta. Bring this term this side. So x into Ax and plus what is a Vx square minus 2a into Ax by tan theta equal to 0. Ax is okay, A is okay, theta also okay. What is the Vx square value here? Vx also you have to eliminate. Is going big, students. So we can do, but once you'll see in the any simple method is there. This much lengthy solution is not there. Simple only.
Sir, we can take potential energy, sir, since it is coming down.
Potential energy. Yeah? See, this is a solution. Tan theta equal to dy by dx. Okay. Just like that, it did. Tan theta equal to how much? Dy by dx equal to x by 2a. Okay. Fe used, no? This force E used. Force equal to what we can write? Minus m omega square into x, no? So force is nothing but what I can write? Mass into acceleration, no? mg tan theta I can write, no? Along the parabolic path, here mg is there, no? So this is a theta we have taken. And this is only the restoring force, no? If you see the right angle triangle, tan theta equal to how much here? mg by force I can write. Tan theta equal to how much? mg by f. F equal to how much?
So actually, we have taken sine and then it sine is equal to
Yes, yes, correct. Sin theta they have taken. Why? Because very small oscillations, no?
yes. So sine theta is equal to tan.
Okay, so this is a restoring force is taking. Okay. They have taken this is a restoring force. So sin theta equal to how much here? Hypotenuse they have taken restoring force. So mg by f. Sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, they have taken here. Huh? Okay, correct. Now we'll get. Have taken theta this one, no? They have taken entire theta like this. It's a parabola. This is a y-axis and x-axis. So draw in a tangential line. With vertical line, they have taken theta. Okay. That is equal to theta 90 and theta 90 minus theta. So this is mg. This is a restoring force, no? Hypotenuse, they have taken restoring force. So what I can write sin theta equal to how much? mg by they have taken sin theta equal to f by mg, no? Okay, this theta only you have taken. So sin theta equal to how much?
So sine theta is equal to height by hypotenuse.
Height is mg normal. Okay, f by mg has taken up. They have taken like this mg by, so sin theta equal tan theta equal how much? F by mg. So f equal to how much here? Mg. Sin theta can be written as tan theta. Force also can be written as what? M omega square into x. No. Again, tan theta is nothing but what here? Dy by dx. Slope formula. Y value already given something, no? In a problem, y is equal to x square by 4a is given. Y is equal to how much? X square by 4a it is given. M omega square into x. So mg into 1 by 4a. What differentiation of x square? 2 into x and m omega square into x. Here m xx getting cancelled out. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So angular frequency equal to how much? G by 2a. He's asking angular frequency or frequency. Okay. G by 2a. So option 3 only the right answer. We can do, but it is going very long. So everyone try this question number 29. So a seconds pendulum. What is the meaning of the seconds pendulum, students? Very good. Time period equal to 2 seconds. Length must be 1 meter. And suspended from the roof of a vehicle that is moving along the circular track of radius 10 by root 3 meters. What radius of that circular track? Meter with what speed? 10 meters per second. Then time period of the oscillation how much? Who will tell time period of the oscillation formula? 2 pi, sorry, under root of L by effective acceleration due to gravity. Just imagine it's a circular track. This is your vehicle. You suspended this pendulum. We are all are inside. Means we are in the accelerating frame. How many accelerations are there? One is acceleration due to gravity. Other one is pseudo acceleration or centrifugal acceleration. That is how much? R into omega square. Is it clear, everyone? No one turned on, huh, today? Okay, no issue. So R omega square. So what is the net acceleration is nothing but what? Under root of G square plus R omega square and whole square. So 2 pi and length value how much? 1 divided by how much? Under root of G value how much? 10 whole square plus R value how much now? Very good. 10 by root 3 into omega value how much? 2 pi by time period, no? 2 seconds and the whole square and again whole square. You can simplify. I am leaving this as a homework to you. Now some problems I will give. Homework. Someone take the screenshot and share in group. Harshit,
Okay, sir. Will take.
question number 30. Taken na?
Yes, sir.
28. Taken na?
Yes, sir.
23. Taken na?
Taken, sir.
Question number 9 and 10. How many problems? Around 5.
Yes, sir. 5.
Okay, so try these problems. Okay, we will meet after botany session. Thank you, students. Bye.
Thank you, sir.